Trump has signed an executive order attempting to end birthright citizenship, with the order saying that U.S.-born children of not only undocumented immigrants, but also legal immigrants are not U.S. citizens. Meaning, if you're here on an H-1B visa, a student visa, green card, and you have a kid, they are not a citizen, and they also don't get your legal status either. So currently, no one really knows what happens to these kids or what their status is. It then also gets even messier when you consider that some countries like India don't recognize the children of nationals living abroad as citizens, so there could be an entire generation of just stateless children. And this order goes as far as to say that the federal government won't give them social security cards or passports, and they also won't be allowed to use public schools, healthcare, nutrition, or housing benefits. So we're looking at a situation that could effectively create a permanent underclass of people, but also, regardless, you have people saying here that Trump cannot do this, because the president doesn't have the authority to clarify the Constitution or to overrule it. Birthright citizenship has always been the law of the land in the United States since the very beginning. And then the 14th Amendment put it into the Constitution and made it so that it was applied universally, and to make sure that courts couldn't make another Dred-Scott decision, which is why it won't be shocking to learn that 18 states and several activist organizations have already sued, challenging Trump, with it widely believed here that the courts will rule against Donald Trump because the Constitution is very clear on the matter. But this is also happening as you have some scholars warning that Trump is showing total disregard for the law, and so while the courts may rule against him, he could just ignore it, and the only solution would be for Congress to impeach him.